Welcome and grab yourself a cup of Joe. Today I hope to show you how to calculate your daily caloric baseline. So now you use energy no matter what you're doing, even when sleeping. The number of calories you burn if you stayed in bed all day is called your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. In order to figure out your BMR, the first step is to calculate how many calories you burn in a day, which is referred to as your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. TDEE is the total number of calories that your body expends in 24 hours, including all activities. It's also known as your maintenance level. Knowing this level will give you a starting reference point from which to begin your nutrition plan. Now, the average maintenance level for women in the USA is 2,000 calories. For men, it's 2,700. Keep in mind, these are only averages. Caloric expenditure can vary widely and is much higher for athletes. Now let's do some math to figure out the TDEE of a 150-pound person with 20% body fat. First, we'll figure out lean mass, or LM. Now take your weight and convert it to kilograms. So I'll use a 150-pound person and divide by 2.2. 150 divided by 2.2 is 68.18. So now that we got our weight in kilograms, we can plug that into our formula for lean mass. Lean mass equals weight in kilograms minus weight in kilograms times body fat divided by 100. So we already figured out our weight in kilograms is 68. So then we subtract that from the result of the remaining equation. 68 times 20 divided by 100 equals 54.4. Okay, now we have our lean mass number. We'll use that and plug it into our Catch-McArdle BMR formula. BMR equals 370 plus 21.6 times LM lean mass. And the answer is, our BMR is 1,545 calories. Now let's take it one step further and use the activity multiplier to figure out our total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE number. TDEE equals BMR times activity multiplier. Okay, next, multiply your BMR by 1.2 if you're sedentary, 1.375 if lightly active, 1.55 if moderately active, 1.725 for very active, and 1.9 for extremely active. So let's just use the moderately active number for this example. For this exercise, we have a BMR of 1,545, and so we'll multiply that by the moderately active multiplier number of 1.55, which rounds up to 2395 TDEE. So that's an overview of how to calculate your daily caloric maintenance level. As a general rule of thumb, stay below this number to lose weight and get lean, or if you exceed this number, expect to gain weight or put on muscle mass if that's your goal. Now that you figured all that out, just remember it's a good baseline starting point. So that concludes today's classroom session. I hope it wasn't too confusing. It's not too hard to find this information online. Time for me to update my numbers for the end of the month tomorrow, and I'll be back tomorrow with the results. Enjoy your day, and I'll be reporting back with the reckoning tomorrow.